Hydro-Dyne Engineering has over 40 years of experience designing and fabricating high-quality, American-made headworks equipment. Located in Clearwater, Florida, our 110,000 square foot facility houses our engineering, manufacturing, and service teams, all dedicated to making our products the very best in the industry. We are welders. Our talented welding team operates in a fully AWS certified facility with 12 flexible bays to accommodate small to very large weldments. The use of positioners, fixtures, and jigs helps maintain weld precision and accuracy for a consistent and reliable finish. Because of our rigorous hiring process, only 1 in 20 welding applicants qualify to join our team. TIG, MIG, and flux core welding is as much an art as it is construction. Our experienced team is committed to demonstrating structural excellence with every weld. We are machinists. Our dedicated in-house machine and tooling shop has specialized equipment and considerable experience. Using routers, rollers, shears, lathes, and more, our machining team has full control of processes where standard tolerances are 1 to 5 microns. Our experts turn raw materials into finished parts, critical to the performance of our equipment. We are metal finishers. Our work includes smoothing welds, finishing corners, removal of imperfections, and dulling sharp edges, so the equipment can be handled safely and look aesthetically pleasing. Dual action tools are used to finish exposed parts. Sharp edges on metal parts are deburred. All equipment holes are drilled and tapped. Downdraft tables remove all dust, creating a safe and clean working environment. We are corrosion protection experts. Our industry-leading pickling process safeguards the equipment against the toughest of wastewater environments. All stainless steel components are treated with our ASTM 380 approved 4-stage pickling process, which includes an acid bath that helps expedite the passivation process. We are assemblers and testers. Our versatile team of assemblers have both factory and field experience, providing flexible and well-rounded employees who understand the equipment and the application it will operate in. We bring all components together to provide a finished product, but we don't just build equipment, we test it. Our interior test towers allow us to test up to 4 screens at one time with no weather restrictions, while our exterior crane accommodates larger screens. All equipment is assembled, inspected, and factory tested in-house to provide our customers with a final product that defines excellence in appearance and, above all, performance. We are ISO 9001 certified. Our processes are defined and controlled by a custom quality management system. Lean manufacturing with regulated processes means efficient fabrication, accurate builds, and shorter lead times. On-hand inventory ensures ample stock of common parts and material for quick delivery. We are Hydro-Dyne Engineering.